Morning. Today's Animal Kingdom, so we're getting up and we're going.
Oh god.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So yeah, we're going to Animal Kingdom this morning, but it's going to be a very slow day, so see you then. Bye. We're in Animal Kingdom. We see the tree. We're going to go do Everest first because flight past is already 110 minutes. Well, that sun is very hot.
Very, very.
Animal Kingdom is the hottest, I think. But it's very pretty. We love Animal Kingdom.
Oh, 5 minutes. Going on the rapids.
We just did Everest. Now we're going on the Kali River Rapids to see the monkeys.
He's the main character of a Disney movie. Hey bro. Oh, hello. Rutgers, I'm just once in a row. We got a breakfast bowl from Yak and Yeti with bacon and sausage. It's really nice. Yeah, I'd have this again. This is a hearty breakfast.
Yeah, that's good.
This is nice.
The peppers are so good. Try the peppers.
Where's the bacon? It's all sausage.
It was all bacon and sausage.
Oh, it wasn't. Okay, and you chose sausage. Okay, good. Yummy. We just had our food. Yum, yum, yum. It was delicious. Thoroughly enjoyed that. I think that's good quality. Good worth money. Want to do that now? We can do it now. Now we're going to do Nemo, I suppose. Let's go.
The Marine Life Institute houses many aquatic species, including fish from the wild who need our help.
Fish are free, fish are free, fish are free, fish are free. Our fish are free, not free.
very good. Very slow. I liked when the turtle came out. The turtle came out was really good.
Go with the flow. The puppets are very good. They're really good
Yeah.
actors. I think we've seen that Marlin's the same Marlin we've seen, but Dory and Nemo I think they were new, so that was quite good. Now we're gonna go to Nomad's Lounge and get some churros. And I'm very hot. I feel like I've caught the sun. My shoulder really hurts, that's why I've moved my bag over. But yeah, so let's go get some food and maybe a drink. So what do you think? But the non-alcoholic version. Do you like it?
It's weird. It's good. It's like good.
Oh, that's really good.
But it's like I've never tasted
I
it.
know what you mean. It's like bittery, toasty.
No, yeah. It's like a really. It's an alternate version.
I wasn't expecting it to be like low-key kind of fizzy.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's the line. It's really good though.
Human libation.
Is it good?
I've tried it. Yeah, it's fine. Mine's the same.
Just recording the bread, so it might be. We got churros. Another batch of churros from property.
Premium churros.
They're so good.
Pandora.
Some churros and a quick little rest. Now we're in Pandora. 5 passes. She's only 75 minutes.
Okay, start scan.
Did you like it? Is it now your favourite? Everyone loves Flight of Passage. It's impossible not to love it. You get off it, you love it.
It's a lot better than I thought it would be.
Did you really not think it was going
Yeah,
to be as amazing?
I thought it was going to be a little bit to the left, a little bit to the right, and the screen's just going to be there, and it's going to be
Oh
like
no, it is. It feels like you are
an average
matching
4D
that part.
experience.
No, no. Very good. So now we're sat in Satuli Canteen and we're going to get some cheeseburger steam balls. I'm so excited! I've been wanting to try these for like the past 2 trips. So he's got a purple ube coffee, which I'm intrigued about.
We'll see how
I'm
that
intrigued to
goes.
see what ube tastes like because it's everywhere.
Everyone keeps saying ube. What is ube? It's a purple liquid,
It's purple something
but it's good.
apparently. And I've got Diet Coke, which I'm very excited to devour. I'm thirsty as anything. I don't think we'll bother with River Journey.
Do you want to do it next time?
Yeah, because it's a long queue as well. Again,
I want to head back as well. So.
Yeah, I want to head back. So
Just we go Universal tomorrow.
Universal tomorrow. I was excited.
It smells weird. I don't really know how to describe this.
Does it taste like different?
It just tastes like ube.
What is ube? I don't even like coffee, but I like that. That's nice. I don't know how to describe that either, but it's nice.
like ube.
We like ube.
We need to have our food before we. Hi.
All done with foodies. Yippee! I feel
Pins.
full. Oh, okay. There's pins. I'm gonna go look at the pins. dinosaur, and then we're probably gonna head, I think. Okay, save all the animals for next time. We might watch the Lion King show, just so that's out of the way and done. And then it's gonna be early night tonight. Dinosaur is down. So we're hot and bothered, so we got a milkshake. Very simple, chocolate milkshake.
It looks like something from McDonald's would make. Like, it's like, put a camera here. Like, look. No matter
But
how
to be honest, I kind of want a McDonald's milkshake right now, so I'm very excited
taste
about
test.
it.
Pretty good.
Pretty good?